Ideas of development. Development is a way for people to use resources running out. Everyone wants to a better place to live. Some people want better homes and housing, while other people want better schools, more jobs, and better shops or cleaner and safer streets. Others may want all these things. Let us see some developmental goals of different categories of persons. The first, landless rural laborers. They required more days of work and better wages, education for their children, and no discrimination in their society or village. The second, prosperous farmers. Their goal is high family income through higher support prices and cheap laborers, good education for their children. Third, a girl from a rich urban family. His goal is to get as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in her life and studies also. By this, all persons have the same developmental goals? No, each one of them seeks different things. Sometimes two persons may seek things which are conflicting. A girl expects freedom and opportunity as her brother, and also sharing in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Industries required more water and electricity, so industrialists want construction of more dams. But the dam construction may submerge the land and disturb the lives of people. People can demand small check dams and small tanks for their agricultural activities instead of dams. One more example for developmental goals. 2 lakhs years ago only, the human being started gathering of food. From 12,000 years ago, the human being started cultivation of land. From 200 years, they are establishing of factories as industrial revolution. And one other case study about Kudankulam nuclear project. The government of India decided to set up a nuclear power plant in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. This is a coastal town of fisher folks. The aim of project is to generate nuclear power to fulfill needs of the country. But these region people are protested on the grounds of safety, security and livelihood. With a long struggle, the many people were supported their protest. People want that stop the construction of project and government should look to the renewable energy as an alternative. Finally, the government responded about project safety measures and is going ahead with the project. By this, we can find two things. They are the different persons can have different developmental goals. The second one, what may be development for one may not be development for other and it may destructive for other. The one more case study, the tons of toxic waste dumped near sea in a city called Abidjan in Ivory Coast, a country of Africa. The highly toxic waste caused nausea, skin rashes, fainting and diarrhea. The many people were affected with these fumes of toxic wastes. Income and other goals. Most of the people seeks more income and besides also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect from others because the quality of life depends on these non-material things. Also, a person may think about working place, facilities, salary and distance. For development, people look at mix of goals. Example, if women are engaged in paid work, the family income increases and their dignity in the household and society increases. Other topic, how to compare different countries or states. We can compare different things with their health, talent, interest, income, etc. We use different criteria to choose a sports team, political parties or holiday spot, etc. However, for the comparison between countries by the average income or per capita income, but national income not tell us an average person is likely to earn. The per capita formula is the total income of the country by total population. This criterion is used in the World Development Report brought out by the World Bank to classify the countries. As per 2017 reports, the countries with per capita income of US dollars 12,055 and above are called high income or rich countries. The per capita income of US dollars 995 per annum are called low income countries. Between 995 to 12,055 US dollars income countries called middle income countries. Our India falls under the category of middle income countries. The rich countries, excluding countries of West Asia and certain other small countries, are generally called developed countries. But this averages criteria also hides some disparities. Let us see the disparities. As given table, country A and B both are having average income is same, but the citizens income compare with A, country B is having less income. But as per the records of World Bank, both countries will comes under same income group. By this, we can say that average income criteria hiding some disparities because country A and B both are having equal average income, but the citizens income is compared with the A, B country have less income. Now we compare with the states Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar. These states per capita income, Bihar is only 66,000 but Haryana have 2,15,000. Himachal Pradesh is 1,82,000. But in other criterions like infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance rate, compare with the Bihar and Haryana, Himachal Pradesh is in better position. By comparing of those three states, you would notice that Haryana has more income than Himachal Pradesh, but it is lacks in other criterions. So money is not a completely adequate indicator of facilities that citizens are able to use. Normally, you can't buy a pollution free environment and also may not be able to protect you from disasters or diseases. And these are to take it cheap is the government should provide collectively. The example for education, government should open schools and providing other facilities also like public facilities so that all children have chance to study. Nowadays in some areas children, especially girls, are not able to study secondary level schooling. Some states have lower infant mortality rate because they have adequate provisions of basic health care and educational facilities, especially the PDS functioning well. If PDS does not function properly, the people will not get food grains at fair price. Those states, people health status may not be better compared with the other states. HDR, Human Development Report, published by United Nations Development Programme UNDP. It compares countries based on the educational attainment of the people and their health status and per capita income. The people health and their well-being are most important for the development of a country. The given table showing that the India's and its neighboring countries, among them the Sri Lanka is in best position compared with other countries. Compared with the countries, some states in India have better indicators of human development. At the time of independence, like other states in India, Himachal Pradesh had very low levels of education because it is a hilly region, low density of population. The setting up of schools in rural areas are a big challenge for the government. The Himachal government opened schools and spent much money. Among Indian states, Himachal Pradesh is one of the highest spending from the government budget on education of each child. In 2005, the Indian government spent money 1049 rupees per child, but Himachal Pradesh government was spent 2005 rupees per child. An intensive survey on schooling done in 1996 and repeated in 2006. In many parts of the country, the girls' education is still given less priority by the parents as compared to the boys' education. compared with the other states, Himachali parents have ambitious educational goals for their girls just as for their boys. One major consideration is that many Himachali women are themselves employed outside the home. Women who work outside the homes are economically independent and self confident. They have greater say in household decisions, including children's education, health, birth, marriages, etc. Also, Himachali women have high involvement in social life and village politics. Many active Mahila Mandals are found in many villages of Himachal Pradesh. And also, schooling in Himachal Pradesh is compared with other states in a good position because the percentage of girls and boys 6 plus years more than 5 years of education is better than India.